My name is Jefferson Brown. I am CEO and founder of Jefferson Architecture. I know that we can create architecture that inspires people. I know we can create architecture that gives people hope. I draw my inspiration from nature. So I look at that, I get inspiration, and it seems like whenever you're able to design along those parallels, people connect to it, and I love doing that. One of the things that we run into architecturally is planning and zoning. A lot of the planning and zonings, they don't allow natural materials. And if you can't have wood, then what should you do and what can you do? And that's where the Nichiha products, when I discovered them, that was exciting because now I had a way to bring that back where people would actually connect back to my buildings well because of that product. My aha moment was when I discovered that this was a complete system and it was maintenance free and it was as close to nature as anything I'd ever seen. They asked me to create a building that would help them to hire key personnel. It's a company that cared very much about their employees. But this building, when you see it, is very near a residential community. So a residential community, housing, and you're going to bring in a commercial building that's 80,000 square feet, 3 stories tall. We had 150 neighbors that were going to come out and be against the project at planning and zoning. We invited them in and showed them the products, and we showed them the concepts and the design. Once they saw the products and understood that what we were doing, we had 150 owners come in and speak in favor of the project. They didn't see it as a great big cold mass in their backyard. They saw it as a beautiful natural structure that blended with the environment. And the Nichiha products that we used allowed us to create it. We work right now, we're currently have projects in 35 states. So we specify the product. We're not afraid to specify it in any of the states. I can't think of a single recall or request, a maintenance or a warranty issue with it at all. It looks very, very natural. And because of the type of buildings I create, I want that. That's very important to me.